Next, we'll take a look at the promotion sections and the various marketing-related features that Draft2Digital offers authors. If you click on the promotion option on the right side of your View Book page, you will see there are two buttons here. First is Visit This Book tab, and second is Edit This UBL. These features are part of Books2Read, a partner company that works alongside Draft2Digital to offer some marketing features and handy convenience options that authors can use to get the word out about their book. Since you already have a Draft2Digital account created, you can use that same account to log in to their Books2Read site. When you're logged in, you will see that their main feature is this Universal Book Link, or UBL for short. When you first publish your book, and it is in the process of being published on Draft2Digital, these links may not work immediately. However, you can see the link here in the Your Universal Link box. If you scroll down on the Universal Link page, you can see some link tools on the left side. When it is activated, everything should be appearing more fully. You can see this option here that says Custom Name Your URL. If you click the plus button, it will expand that section, and then you will see a box that says Custom Link Name. If you want to use something besides the random string of characters for your link, you can enter that into the Custom Link Name box. And then if you scroll back at the top, you will see under your universal link, it will have your custom link shown in the box. On the right side, you can see there's an ebook links category, and it will show you the general status of each storefront that you opted into when you chose to publish your ebook. You can click each individual one to go directly to your book's page on that platform. If you scroll down further, there are a variety of storefronts icons that are listed in the event that you have additional stores which feature your book, but Draft2Digital was not able to find automatically. In these cases, you may need to manually provide the link. They do have a handy rescan option here on the left side that says, have you added a new vendor missing your link to one of our most important stores? Rescan and we'll try to fill in the gaps. If you click the Rescan for Links button, they attempt to automatically find your book on their various partner platforms. Towards the bottom, if you have a print book, there is a separate section for print links that you can click, and it will expand a similar list of platforms where your print book is made available.